Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we will discuss another interesting topic in Facebook ads, and that is how to create a video campaign. As you know, in today marketing we will run video ads for our brand awareness, and some people run video ads for their music videos. So we can run a separate campaign, like Facebook have given us a separate objective for this. Like we can create a video views campaign through which we can get maximum views for our videos, and it will help us to gain brand awareness, also to get views and reach as many as people. So today I will give you a brief about how to create the video view campaign and what things need to be taken care of while creating the video views campaign. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video.
Hello guys, as you know, today our topic is how to create a video campaign in the FB ads account. With the help of that, we will get maximum reach for our videos, and it will help us in awareness of our brand, and also it will help us to get maximum reach of the audience in the FB ads account. So let me show you how to do it. For creating a video view campaign, you just need to click on the create button, which is showcased in the screen, and then you just need to go to the awareness option, because the main objective of the video views campaign is to get awareness for our brand. And I think video you can check, like in the awareness objective we have the option of video views campaign, like reach people who are more likely to watch your video. Okay, so you just need to click on the continue button next, and when you click on the continue button, it will showcase the options. Like I have already target awareness because I want to aware my brand. And same case, if you are running a campaign for a music video where you want a maximum views for your videos, like people are in the current era doing video ads, music ads, and if you want to advertise them, if you want to get maximum views from them, so you just need to use this objective and this campaign, and after that you will able to get the exact reach which you want. And then you need to go to the ad set level, and here is the main part is coming. Like in the ad set level, you just need to choose a valid performance goal, because otherwise your campaign will not perform and you will not able to see maximum results. Okay, so we have different options here, like maximum reach ads, maximum number of impression, maximize ad recall lift, but our goal is different. Our goal is to get video views. So we need to choose video goals. The both options are good to go. Let me explain you what is the first option, like maximize through play videos. In the first option, they will try to show your ad to the people who will watch the entire video when it's shorter than 15 seconds. Or for longer videos, we will try to show it to people who are likely to watch at least 15 seconds. So basically it means the people who have passed see the videos from above 50 seconds. With the help of this goal, they will target those people because they have already seen the videos in Facebook, and they are saved in the algorithm, like they have see video 15 seconds above. So we will directly target them through this goal. And the second option is, we will try to show your video ad to people who are likely to watch 2 continuous seconds or more, like people who are watching the video for at least 2 seconds or more. So I will always prefer the first option, because we need to get the audience who are watching video seriously, like at least for 15 seconds, because that will give us the idea like they are interested or not. So I will always choose the first option, because in the 2 seconds I will not able to know whether he will be interested in the video ads or not. So we'll always choose the first option, but if you think the second option will be valid for you, you can choose that as well. There is nothing to worry about. Okay, and after that, the same which we have already discussed on the older accounts, we need to choose an audience, and you know how to choose that, how to target. Like I have created a separate video regarding the same, like how to choose a location, gender. So in this section, you just need to give an idea to Facebook, like what kind of people you think will be interested in your video. But if you are running a video, if you are running a ad for video music videos, then I will always recommend run it as a broad audience, because in broad audience we will target more and more people, and then we are able to see which is like better for us, because we need more and more views. That's why I always recommend, if you're running a music video, then you just need to go with the broad audience. And yes, if you're running a like a business video for getting brand awareness, then I will like suggest you to target audience wisely. Okay. And after that, if you are running, here is the thing, like if you are running a music video campaign, then I will always recommend you choose advantage plus plus placement. Yeah, if you are running a like basically a business video, a video for your business, then I will like suggest you to choose manual option, like Facebook, Instagram, and like basically feeds, Facebook feeds and Instagram feeds, story reels, you can choose that as well. So this is like my opinion. You should choose according to your. And after that, you just need to go to the ad level, and at the ad level, as you already know, we need to put the video on which you want to get maximum views. So what I'll do is I will add a video. You just need to go to the like add video option. As you can see, we have a add creative option here, where we will choose our media, like video which we need to target. I will add the primary text, as I have already written the primary text which I want to show when somebody see our video. And after that, you just need to go to the media section, and I have already finalized the video as well. So I will click on it. I will click on the next button and done button. So now our video ad is ready to get live. I have also mentioned the primary text as well. So now you just need to put the headlines which you want to target, like what kind of headline you want. You can use that in this, like as an example, I have used chat with us right now, but you can choose according to your opinion. Okay. And after that, if you want somebody contact you through the Instagram messenger or something like that, so you can do it here. If you want to people redirect to your website after clicking on the video ad, and once the video ad will be finished, where they will land, you just need to add the website here if you want. If you don't want, you can choose the instant experience option. So once you will like check all the things, like our video ad is ready, we have add primary text as well, we just need to click on the publish button. And once the campaign will be published, you will see that new campaign is published. And as you can see in the results section, you can see the through place. Basically through place, how much person are seeing a video, and how they are response on the video. You can also check the responses as well, as we have the option of getting the responses, like people are saw our video for the 3 second only, 5 second, 15 second. You can just go to the section, and here you just need to put video through plays. As you can see, we have different option here. Video through plays, like people who plays your video 75%, 90%, 100%, to continuous second video plays, to unique continue, because we have multiple option here. You can see how people are response on the like how response we are getting from the people on our video ads, and according to that we can optimize the same. We will see like whether our video is good or not. If people are more in the video plays at 100%, like people are see our video 100% like full width, and there are more people in this, and then you can analyze that our video is good. So this is the things which we need to consider when we run a video campaign. So this is how we do it. This is how we create a video campaign in the Facebook ads dashboard. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and if you have any query and concern, you can let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much.